Wedding films take forever to edit, but what if I told you there's a way to cut that time in half without sacrificing quality? Today, I'm giving you my best tips to speed up your wedding film edits while still keeping them cinematic and emotional. In this video, I'll cover organizing footage the smart way, editing tricks, using AI to find key moments, picking music before you edit, and much more. So let's jump right in. Okay, step one, organize your footage in the editor. Here's my process. I like to create the folders, right? So what we'll have is, folders for ceremony, reception, first look, details. Then we'll just go ahead and import our raw footage, select the folders, and then import. I actually did that already. And then you'll have all your raw footage here and you just begin sorting into these folders. Pro tip, to save even more time, create a template project in Premiere with pre-made bins and sequences. That way, for your next wedding, you could just duplicate that template and start editing instantly. Step two, do selects fast. Now, instead of watching hours of footage, let's do selects the smart way. Here's how I like to do them. What you'll do is you'll take all of your footage and drop that on a timeline. And then you'll see here, I already did it, but you'll take the clip and pull up the clip that you want to use for your highlight into layer 2. And then I'll go do that with all the different sections of the day. So you have bride prep, groom getting ready, ceremony, first look, and I'll just take them and I'll put them all in the sequence. And then what we'll do is we'll create another sequence called selected files. And then from your raw files, you're gonna put them on a selects sequence. So to do that, take these files and drag them and then drop them here. So you have all the selects that you're gonna be using for your wedding film. Instead of all the hours and hours of footage over here, we're gonna have a much more condensed timeline here. Step 3, pre-select music first. Most editors waste time choosing music after they start building, but if you pick your song first, it'll save you lots of time in the long run. Pick a song that matches the couple's vibe and energy, romantic, upbeat, cinematic, and use a structure. High energy start, slow emotional build, and a big finale at the end. The music dictates pacing, so pick it early and cut to the beat instead of adjusting it later. Here's what we like to do. We'll have wedding highlights, and then we'll have music pre-selected. Each folder has music tracks inside that we've pre-selected. One of my favorite tips for speeches and vows is you can automatically transcribe the audio in Premiere Pro and generate automatic captions. It's just super easy, and you can find the exact moment you're looking for in the search bar. Here's how to do it. Right-click, and then go down to transcribe. You'll want to put both speakers and then hit transcribe. It'll begin transcribing the vows. This tip alone saves so much time if you're going through lots of audio in a wedding. So that's now transcribed, right? So you can also cut out all the pauses, all the filler words, as you can see here. So if I want to cut out all the pauses from this one, hit pauses and then delete all. And then magically, all of the pauses were deleted. Nice. My next tip is editing with keyboard shortcuts. Now, let's start actually cutting fast. If you're scrubbing through your footage in real time, you're wasting hours. Instead, use L. This is especially helpful in select. So if you're playing down, some footage here, a lot of it's slow motion, so it's going pretty slow. If you want to speed up your workflow, hit L twice, and it'll start speeding up here. And you hit it again, it'll speed it up even more. Super helpful. My next tip is using proxies for slower computers. If your computer is struggling with 4K footage, use proxies. It's super easy. Just right click, just go to proxy, create proxies, choose a frame size. I like to do half and hit go. Editing will go much faster, even on an older laptop. My final tip is to edit with feeling. Editing fast doesn't mean rushed editing. Your job is to create emotion and not just cut fast. Use pacing and let moments breathe when needed. Match cuts to the music and color grade last. Don't waste your time tweaking before the final edit. When done right, fast editing can still feel cinematic and emotional. And that's how you edit wedding films faster. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any additional tips. See you in the next one.